since the time of Reagan, our middle class has slowly deteriorated. So now we are reaching a point of where 1% of Americans will now own close to 50% of the entire net worth of the United States. In the meantime, the middle class of our country is shrinking. Especially healthcare is a worry for every parent out there, and for themselves as they age. And our current controllers of our policy are doing nothing about it. They don't have any interest in it. They have paid it lip service over the past 10, 15 years, but certainly in the main, if you observe their actions, that is, they really don't have any interest in it. And the result of that will be 80% of Americans will be in a situation of poverty to semi-poverty, while 20% of Americans will lead a middle class or wealthy class lifestyle. The current occupants of the controllers of the state governments really are not working for the average Wisconsin citizen.